Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you all are doing well. Friends, division is the process of something that is separated into equal parts, or the process of being separated is called division. Today I am going to solve the biggest problem of division. I will share short trick of division, and after applying this trick we'll be able to solve a 4 or a 5 digit number division in just 4 or 5 seconds only. So let's get started. Friends, before we start our technique, let us understand the concept of a base number. A base number is that number which is multiple of any power of 10 and it lies close to our denominator. For example, if we have two digit denominator, a base number would be multiple of 10. For example, if my denominator is 78, then my base number will be 80. If similarly, if my denominator is 63, then my base number will be 60. And for 3 digit denominator, my base number will be a multiple of 100. Now let us discuss three different types. In type 1, my denominator will be less than my base number, and in type 2, my denominator will be greater than my base number. So let us consider a type 1 where the denominator will be smaller than the required base number. If I have a 4 digit number 3494 and have to divide it with 68, in my first step I will round off 3494 into 3500, and after adding 2 in 68 I will get 70, which will be my nearest 10 number. So 70 will be my base number, and 2 will be my extra number. After dividing 3500 with 70, I get 50. So 50 is my rough answer. Friends, in my next step, what I am going to do, I will write 3494, and I will add the multiple of my extra number, which is 2, and my base number, which is and my rough answer, which is 50, and I will divide it with my base number. So 3494 plus 100 over 70 will be equal to 3504 divided by 70. I will add the decimal. So 359.4 will be equal to divided by 70 will be equal to 51.34, which will be same if I divide 3494 with 68. Now friends, let us take another example. This time I'll be taking 5 digit number as numerator and 3 digit number as my denominator. For example, if I take a 5 digit number 63920, I will round off to its nearest 100. So it will become 64,000, and 789 needs 11 more to round off to its nearest 100, which will be 800. So 64,000 divided by 800 will be equal to 80. It is my rough answer or estimated answer. Now friends, in my next step I will what I will do, I will add the multiple of 80 and 11 in 63920. So it will become 64800 divided by 800, which will become 81 after dividing. So if I solve the same question from a calculator, my calculator will give 81.01, which is approximately equal to 81. In both method you will get the same answer. You can check it by yourself also. Now friends, in type 2 my denominator will be greater than my base number. For example, if I have a 5 digit number 24015 and I have to divide it with 604, in my first step I will round off the numerator to its nearest 100, so it will become 24,000, and my denominator nearest 100 of my denominator will be 600. So in order to make 604 into 600, I will subtract 4 from 604. So 24,000 divided by 600 will be equal to 40, which is my rough answer. So in my next step, what I will do, I will subtract, since I subtract 4 from 604. So in my next step, what I will do, I will subtract the multiple of my reduced number and my rough answer from 24015, because I have subtracted 4 from 604. So I will subtract the multiple of 4 and 40 from 24015, which would be equal to 23,855 divided by 600, and after division I will get, first of all I will add the decimal, and then I will have to just divide 238.55 from 6, and after division I will get 39.75, and my calculator is also giving me the same answer. Isn't that amazing? Now friends, let us discuss the type 3, in which in this type I'll be taking a 6 or 7 digit number and I will divide it from uh, uh, 5 or 6 digit number. For example, if I have 7 digit number 7895568, and I have to divide it with a 6 digit number which is 204073. Now I will have to follow a rule. If there are more than 3 terms in the denominator, we will neglect the other term after the third digit, and the same number of terms will have to be reduced in the numerator also. So I will cancel the last 3 digit of 7895568 and 204073. 568 and 073 are being cancelled. So after cancellation, the numerator will be reduced to 7895 and the denominator will be reduced to 204. So I will approximate 7895 into 8000 and 204 into 200. After approximation and division, I will get 40, and I will follow the same procedure. 40 is my rough answer. So after subtracting the multiple of 4 and 40 and dividing it and after dividing it with 200, I'll get 7735 divided by 200. I will add the decimal. 77.35 divided by 2 will be equal to 38.65. So friends, I hope you like my today's trick. After applying this trick, you will be able to solve the 4 or 5 digit or 6 digit number division in just 4 or 5 seconds only. I hope you like my trick today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share my video so that I get to know about my performance.